welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making a chocolate lava cake. My name's Harris.
My name's Jenna.
These are in the ingredients. The ingredients are chocolate chips, non-salted butter, eggs, all-purpose flour, sugar, egg yolks, salt, pure vanilla extra, and we will grease the Ramekins and use all-purpose flour to dust it so the lava cake does not stick. For the first step of cooking a chocolate lava cake is to boil some water and put a glass bowl on top of it, and make sure it is just on the steam instead of water. And the first ingredient to add is your chocolate chips. And put all of them in. And the next step would be to put the butter. You should be constantly stirring it for 5 minutes straight. So you start stirring it, you could see it's already starting to melt. So the stir, time lapse is better. So we're just waiting a couple more seconds for the texture to smoothen out, so we would be on to step 2. It's finished. So guys, this is second step. So we're going to be greasing and flooring the Ramekins. So you use butter to do it. 1, 2, 3, and be greased so it's not. It should be greased so it's not sticky. So
Yeah, because we do that hard.
okay, dusting it, then like that. Dusting it, then we will take our thing and put that flour back. So the third step is going to be making the egg mix. So you could do it for 5 minutes or make it until the egg's fluffy. I would recommend doing it until the egg's fluffy. So your sister will pour in the ingredients, which is egg yolks, egg, and sugar, and some salt. You may pour it in. Next, eggs. That's enough. Sugar, all of it. And I could do this all.
I do it.
that? Put that in. Put your chocolate in. So that's it. Maybe one more. So we're going to be mixing up the chocolate with the whipped egg. Now it's your.
We both mix. Let's do.
Flour.
I'll mix too. I will too.
So you better well mix it. Oh, just do a roundabout. So you would want to well mix it to make it look like a chocolate cake mix like this, but it's a lava cake.
Put it in the bowl, and we're going to each do two. Okay, we're going to start. Cass will do two, and I'll do two.
One. Okay. No, just do. So 1 scoop. 1. That's enough.
Yay. It's so yummy. It smells good too. I think it's going to be good. I'm going to stop the time.
Chocolate. Over there, so they see. So we're done making the mixture. Now we're going to put it in the oven for
15 minutes.
ready to bake our chocolate lava cake. We have the oven at our temperature, which is 450 degrees. Now let's put it in the oven. Oh, and always have an adult when you're putting, just stop in the oven, which I have my mother beside me. Now we'll just wait for 15 minutes, and 15 minutes are now.
Our lava cake is finished, so we're going to let it rest for 5 minutes.
So our lava cakes are done cooking. Now we get to decorate them. Okay.
Our decorator.
This is yours now. So do you want to eat it out of a container or make it like a cake?
Eat every cake.
Got it.
The inside.
So we should slice the middle top. Look at that.
Okay.
Now Janelle, you could have a complimentary.
Let's do it.
Put it right there. No. Okay, let me put on the ice cream. Okay, you get one giga spoon, which is a full 1 grown-up spoon. Oh,
Yummy.
What kind of ice cream is that? Share me.
Vanilla.
No, what's the name?
Vanilla.
Sham chips.
So you guys adding it ice cream?
Yes, and something to
Champagne.
I
Small.
know. Perfecto.
That's perfecto.
Now just hold on.
I can't help it.
Don't eat the leaves, it's just for look. Delicacy. Okay, my turn.
Decoration.
The one's enough. Now where's the ice cream? 2 scoops of extra large. Not a
Yummy.
big boy. That's enough. Mom could share that. Let's see. Okay. Now some maybe the strawberry there. I'm going to put tiny. Not too much. Perfect.
This is the best thing ever.
Thank you guys for watching
Watch
the
our
video.
video.
And make sure to subscribe and I like the video. And hit the notification button. See you on the next vlog.
Bye.